All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm going to switch to the account and share the stream here. All right. All right, guys. So, okay, so what are we looking at here? So, good morning, everybody. I'm just going to be talking, probably not going to be looking at chat a whole lot. Still working on my Discord to get some bots set up to all that, but let's see here. Let's open up chat. Down here. So we just got inside macro. I've got Hydra in my ear, and let me see here. A second, let me just disconnect these things. So welcome, whoever's joining. Just hopping on here. I figured today I'll show my Tradeovate thing here and kind of show that. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Get this out of the way. So right now we have news at 10, so I'm expecting us to kind of chop around. We have a 7 minutes we have 7 minutes to open. We have a big hourly BPR here. I want to see us take sell side and then take buy side. So let's see, we have Asia lows down here. Looks like ES left London highs. So that could be a draw, but it also could be, we got SMT up here. So it looks like we got SMT. See. So we got a bearish SMT with ES. So we got a 1 hour VPR here. This could be a good target for where we want to reach to balance out this price range. And it could reject from here and go back down and take Asia lows. So we have relative equal lows here, relative equal lows here. We have yeah, we got Asia lows here. I think we're gonna take these lows and then in news. Let's see here. Yeah. So we're just generating liquidity, and just generating liquidity, and that's kind of what we're doing. So it's just gonna chop around, I'm assuming. Hey, what's up? By the way, it's bought 250. Nice. Oh, thank you for buying that with my code. I'm gonna get 1 to 2 good trades today, around aim for 2%. Yeah, it's good plan. So let's see here. So I'm just watching right now. I got 15. Let's see here. Just gonna take these highs probably. We got an open coming up. Gonna take these relative equal highs, and I think we're headed for 942. Let's see what happens. Or we might just chop around. Let's just see what happens here. Okay. Let's see here. Open in 2 minutes, but we also have 10 o'clock news. So okay, so I got Hydra in my ear here, so kind of follow his trades and follow his commentary. He's my mentor. So this is London. These lines, London, is red is Asia. So you can see that we left London highs on ES. On NQ we took London highs. So it's small SMT right there. And this is the hourly CRT, but there's no sweep of either side. This is the current range. This candle is the current range, I believe, unless there's a higher time frame range. Let's look at this 4 hour. See, look, I think we're just gonna chop around, but this could be potentially, no, it's an open high, low. Okay, we got a opening gap, regular trading hours opening gap below here. Retesting. So it might be Judas down and then go for long. Oh, 30-second, my bad. Let's do 1 minute. So might take a long here. So retesting this inversion and a breaker. I think we're just gonna chop around. Oh, yep. I think we might head towards this BPR. And then, but it's just chopping around. So we got a breaker here. Look, we have news at 10, so that's why. Okay, we got a. There we go. We got. Up, up. Okay, there's the. Dang it. So there's the trades. So we're taking this. I think we're headed to the BPR. Nope. Yeah, that was. The breaker did hold, it looks like. And now. Dang, I hesitated. Okay, here we go. I think we're gonna head. So now we got this. That might be Judas, and then, hold on, yeah. I'm looking for a short here. Looking for a short if we violate this breaker. I might, okay. So now this might become our breaker, negative breaker. Okay, I'm gonna short here. See if we have a body close. Like, man, too aggressive. Alright, I'm gonna go for one short here.
Order working.
Oh, it's really loud. Short there. See if we hit it. Come on, hit the breaker.
Order filled.
Okay, and we got our regular trading hours opening gap. So risking one contract.
Order working.
Gosh, that's loud. And if it violates this breaker, then I'm done. So I'm in this right here. I'd like to see Asia lows get taken, but I think we're just gonna chop around. That's why I'm only going for a couple points. Let's see here. Okay, I like the wicks here. And I like the regular trading hours gap, so we might fill that. And we have a bearish SMT here on NQ and ES. There we go. Get some speed here. And yep, I think it's going to be BPR. I'm not going to go for a huge move right now because we have news at 10. So I think we'll just hit target and then we'll just lock in, you know, a couple $100, $300 or something like that. Low risk, good trade for the day.
Order filled.
Boom. Nice. First trade of the day. Man, should I have gone for Asia lows? Well, okay. Well, I did one trade off the breaker. Oh, big SMT with ES. Wow, dang it. I should have went for Asia lows. Okay, well, that's okay. I just did what I did. Caught $300. So alright, so yeah, I think we might go for Asia lows here. Dang it. Ah, man. Asia lows is gonna get taken. Watch. Ah, what a regret. That's okay. Dang. Let me just journal this. Ooh, actually, I'm glad I took that off early because where did I take that? That was off of let me see here. Execution labels there. I think we're so bearish. I think we're gonna take Asia. Oh no. Look, we took NQ lows, so this would be a protective stop if you're going for high. If we get a, if we, oh, Hydra's gonna go long now. Actually, I think I'm long too.
Order filled.
Uh, nope. I thought we had some, yeah, we have SMT, so, nope, might not hold. Dang it, I think I got out wrong, wrong trade. Dang it, just took a small $125 loss. Thought I could go up, but it's alright. So I'm just down, up 188 bucks. Dang it. Hydra went long, so I thought I'd go long too. Go to 15. Dang it, maybe I should have stayed in there. So, well, yeah, that was, I think we're going for Asia lows. So what I want to see is Asia lows get taken and then come back up. I think we're gonna go for Asia lows and then get support from new week opening gap, which is this yellow here. Should have stayed out of that thing. Let me just journal this. We're going for Asia lows. Pretty sure we're going for Asia lows, and look at this high resistance liquidity. Boom, boom, boom. I think we're going for Asia lows and filling this gap. I think it was just a retap, OTE retrace up, back up here, and then back down. This bigger's holding well. We're gonna go for Asia lows here. Should I scalp it? Ah, nope. I'm about to hit it. Dang it, there it is. Ah, I should have just held on to Asia lows. Okay. Now we got SMT, big SMT with ES, NQ, ES. Oh, what the heck, I'm on 4 hour. Damn, this was a CRT right here. Wait, no, was it? Yeah, shoot. So this was the play. This was a short up here, the soup. This was turtle soup up here. Boom. Let's see if we get support. No. Okay, we're taking out this sell side, taking out this sell side. Let's see if we get a long here on these order blocks. Let's see here. Oh man, that was... This could be an OTE. Wow, I think we're going for... this is equilibrium of this bigger range here, and I think we might be going down. No support of this new day opening gap. ES is supporting the new week opening gap. I'm sorry, and then so ES just took Asia lows. We're gonna go for this New York PM. Yeah, we already took it. New York previous New York AM session for Asia. ES is getting support from new day opening gap. We filled the gap, the regular trading hours RTH gap here. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think we're gonna go for 8336 right down here. We're just aggressively going towards sell side. Man, I wish I'd stayed in that. Yeah, we're going for 8336 and this current range here for let's see if we reach for 833. I think that might be where we're reaching for. And creating SMT with ES. Yeah, I mean this BPR was just so strong. We souped up here this 1 minute. Took out this range. This is the hourly candle. Yeah, man, that was, dang, I saw that. That was too fast. This is the hourly soup of this hourly range candle. So I'm looking for a reversal after we hit 833. Looking for us to take 833 and then potentially get support and look for a potential SMR because we're tapping into this big hourly FEG, but we're looking pretty bearish. So let me see. Higher time order flow. Okay, we got a big BPR here. So this is going to be a very balanced. This actually could be a really good support because we got an hourly BPR. So right there we got our BPR. I think we're going to tap in here and get either get a retracement, 50% retracement, up at least to, let's see here, what am I seeing? So probably not gonna do anything now because we got news. So we're gonna hit 833, and then we'll tap into this BPR. If we violate this BPR, man, that'll be really bearish. But I think we have sell side here. We took all the sell side. I think I'm gonna get him right there and aim for 833.
Order working.
Just getting on that after value gap. Oh wait, hold on. Shoot, I think I'm in the wrong here. We just barely tapped into that BPR. Get out.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Okay. We barely tapped into that BPR. I didn't see that just till now. Glad I got out of that. So if we get I want to see us tap into, well, no, I don't. I want to see us kind of high resistance back into this 5 minute SIBI and then come back down to tick 833. That would be, which low would that be? That would be here. Okay, that would be down here for ES. Wow, NQ is looking a lot weaker. ES is looking stronger. And I think actually we're going to reach it. Now we're going to go for it. Should have stayed in, dang it. That's okay. I'm going to go for a long instead of going for that short. Wait for the reversal. Nice, close short. I was up 1K, but kind of went up, so I closed. All right, let's see here. We're bouncing off this 1 hour BPR, so I think we could potentially get a smart. I think we're going to come back down again and then come back up. So I want to see an SMT do that. Let's see here, what support do we have here? We have I mean, there's a big SMT here. So yes, looks like the stronger pair. If we sweep 833, this would be down here. That'd be a big SMT. I mean, we saw SMT right here. We have yes, sweeping this. So if NQ right here, so that's sell side. There's sell side there, so we take sell side. Which candle is this? So I want to see SMT created. I want to see excuse me, I want to see NQ create a breaker right here. I want to see MQ tap into this BPR, come back up. These candles will become the breaker. the bullish breaker. Probably just gonna chop around till news. So, and then come. Oops. So we could either do that, or we could. Let's see. Okay, so ES is taking this. Oh, so ES took the sell side down here. Okay. ES just took sell side here. Next sell side for ES is down here. So this one is, we still got SMT if ES leaves the sell side. NQ already took sell side here. And let's see here. So yeah, we got SMT with ES. If ES is going to leave these lows, then we'll have a nice SMT. 3 minutes. I'm going to see us come down here, tap into the VPR again, come back up, creating a breaker and an inversion all in that leg. But let's see what happens. That would mean that ES would also take the sell side. Or ideally, we just go back up and ES leaves the sell side. What do you think here? So this would not be valid anymore. So we took sell side here. I want to see us take 833 on NQ. Down here. And come back and take this buy side. But let's see here, we're 2 minutes, 1 minute left. So, like I said, we got that 1 minute BPR, sell side on ES, and I want to see if there's any SMTs with news here. Where are we at on the 4 hour? On the 4 hour, where get a big, I mean, yeah, it's a really strong BPR here. That'll be support. All right, a couple seconds left for news. I think we'll hit that. I mean, it's still SMT, bullish SMT, because this is, I think, okay, this is that candle. All right, watch. Take sell side. I want to see ES. If ES leaves that sell side, that'd be a really great sign on a smaller, lower time frame SMT. Wow, that news didn't do anything. Okay, we're leaving sell side. Now I think we're gonna take sell side. A lot of LR down here on NQ. A lot of trendline liquidity on sell side. took Asia lows. Let's see here. Wow, it's lagging. Okay, yeah, so I think I want to see a breaker create here. Okay, so yes, just took the sell side there, and we have we have rejection block plus 1 hour BISI right here. Okay, so SMT, we got ES already took it, so NQ doesn't need to take it. We might go back up. So if we get a bullish reaction here, we just took sell side, and if this this SMC holds, then we might be bullish. But let's see here. Let's see. Ideally, for a 1 hour CRT, I want to see us dip below again and have this be the current range, the current 1 hour CRT here. So if this last hour candle was a range, okay, so it's SMT. Hydra's going for a short. I'm bullish. Ideally, I want to see okay, the SMT is holding. If we break this inversion, couple seconds left. I like all right, I'm going for long. SMT is holding, going for long. Target will be up here, up at this buy side right here, 916.
Order working.
You know what? Okay, that's 50% of. So if this is a CRT with SMT, yeah, 936 should be. Let's see if we reach it. 936 would be the high of that candle, which would be up here. And if we reach for this hourly BPR, we might get there. So let's see if we get it. I'll hold it till then. See if we're violating this, and yeah, we're violating that, then we're definitely going up. We'll get some resistance right here, and so this should be a protective low down here because we got SMT. So 838 is a protective low. And let's see the resistance coming with this bearish breaker, but so I might. And this is 50% of this candle range, this 1 hour candle range. It's 50%. Yep. I want to see how if we consolidate or expand in this in the equilibrium of this 1 hour candle here, the previous range. SMT is holding. That's great. Okay, I want to see a OB created here. So I want to see that become an order block. Okay, nice. That looks like this is going to become an order block if we get a candle close above. I want to see this inversed, and that's a good sign if that's inversed, because that'll mean we're on bullish order flow. We'll get some resistance here at the breaker, at the bearish breaker, these order blocks. But I want to see a slice through it. So we got 5 minutes left for this macro. Let's see what happens. want to see it. No, that's not what I want to see. There we go. So I want to see ES take this, invert these civvies as well. Come on, ES. Some resistance up here. Yeah, we got a 5-minute civvy on ES. I want to see this 5-minute. Okay, we inverse this 5-minute. I want to see us invert this civvy on NQ. Looks like we might. We got 4 minutes left. Boom. Let's see this. Let's see an order block created here. Okay, we got a 5-minute inversion here. That's a good sign. Beautiful. So nice. Got an order block created. And I'm just gonna hold and see this CRT play work out with the SMT. So it never swept this low, but didn't need to because ES swept the low down here on the hourly. So boom, this is beautiful. I think it's gonna work out. So I think we're gonna go back high up. We're gonna reach up to 936 is my target, my final target. That's 74.36. It's about 60 points about with one contract. I wish I'd done two. That's okay. Keep my risk low. Yeah, we're getting some resistance here. I mean, kind of expected. Let's see if we inverse this 5-minute, then that'll be a really good sign that we're bullish. Continue to be bullish. Inverse this 5-minute CB right here. Okay, I think let's do this for now. Okay, 2 more minutes left to inverse this. Okay, order block supporting price, BISI supporting price. So that's a good sign. I want to see this order block. I want to see these down close candles become an order block as well. Nice. Keep pushing. Let's see here. What else do we have? Okay, we have a big 15-minute CB right here. So, oh man, I wish I could take a partial right here, but I just only have one contract. Ideally, I want to see this big. If this 15-minute gets inverse, man, that's a really good sign. So this 15-minute gets inversed, this big 15-minute, that'll become a big 15-minute BPR. That'll push us back up, I believe, to 936, which is my final target. So let's see this 5-minute inverse. Got 40 seconds left. Oops. Okay, let's see this 5-minute inverse. I believe it will be. 1 minute left. Boom, 5-minute inverse. Okay, beautiful. So if we get a retest of this 5-minute, I might pyramid in a 5-minute BISI or the 5-minute inversion. So this technically is a 5-minute inversion, like right about here. That level is a 5-minute inversion. Yeah, I think we're going for it. Beautiful, beautiful trade. It's a beautiful CRT trade here. Just kind of a recap. This is the hourly range that we're in here. This hourly candle. No, I think that's a 30-minute. That's a 30-minute. This is the hourly candle. Oh, same candle. This candle here is the hourly candle. We ES took the lows, so NQ didn't need to take it, and So that's the thesis of this trade. That's why my target's way up here at 936. And I think we never tapped into this hourly. We never tapped into this hourly BISI. Is this equal highs as well? Let's see. This candle high is 936.50. 936.25. Oh, these are perfect equal highs right here. Perfect. So that's going to be a really strong target. 936.50 is perfect equal highs. Right there. So that is our target. Beautiful. So I think that's where we're headed. Turn this yellow. Okay. So there it is. Who's in this trade with me? Anybody? Anybody in this trade? Kind of wish I did more contracts, but that's okay. So for those just joining, I saw just a couple of people just joining. The thesis is that the 1 hour, here's the 1 hour candle right here. This 1 hour candle is a range. So this real faint fib is the 1 hour range right here. So this range, this is equilibrium. This is the top of the range, this is the bottom of the range. I mean, I can make this a little bit more saturated. So that's the range, right? And ES already took these lows. So we had a big S&T here. See, ES took these lows right here, took the hour candle range, and NQ didn't. So that was a beautiful S&T. So let me just take a look at this. We're getting a lot of resistance up here. I want to see this 15-minute inverse. So we got 2 minutes left to see this 15-minute inverse. Anyways, that's the thesis, is that hold on, let's see. I don't want to see these. I don't want to see these order blocks violated. So, man, no. So we got a 5-minute inversion. 5-minute inversion. I want to see this 5-minute CB hold. I mean BISI hold. But I also want to see these 1-minute CBs inverse on ES. So Hydra's going for long as well. Let's see here. So I want to see this BISI. So tapped into this BISI, the 5-minute BISI. Nope. Or in this inversion. This is a 5-minute inversion. Oh, dang it! Come on. You got this 15-minute that we got to get over. So it didn't close. 15-minute did not close above. Let's see here. Okay, 1-minute inversion still holding. We're just getting resistance from this bearish breaker here with these order blocks, but I'm still holding. If this 5-minute down close candle becomes a order block, that'll be really good. So I need to see some bullish. I need to see price push back up. We're outside the macro, so we might just chop around. Okay, I don't want to see a break of this inversion. No bodies closing below that. Okay, that's not a good sign. So I want to see price continue to move back up. These confirming as a breaker. I want to see it do this. And this will become the new breaker. If we get a body close above here, retest the breaker, go back up to take buy side. So I'm anticipating these candles to be the breaker to support price up. And let's turn off. Might just chop around here. I want to see these bodies continue to hold. This, we're tapping to this 5-minute inversion here. This is a 5-minute inversion. Let's see here. This is the 5-minute inversion level. Right about there. That's the 5-minute inversion. It's at 50%. So this 5-minute, excuse me, 5-minute inversion is still holding. I want to see these bodies continue to be closing above. We're getting resistance from this 15-minute SIBI, and I want to see that inversed. So that's the thesis. Got 2 minutes to the macro. Okay, it looks like we got balanced price here on the 30-minute, kind of balanced price here. But let's see here, we got the 1-hour balanced price range. I mean, a rebalance, redeliver, but we're not redelivering lower, so I think that's good. So I think if the body closes above here and this becomes a new breaker, then that'll support price up. That becomes a new breaker. That's a good sign. Get some bullish price action. I think it might, and this becomes a order block supporting price. I want to see a body close above this wick here, above this 899 level, and if we get a body close above that, I'm gonna pyramid in. See a body close above. 30 seconds left. So we got. Come on, let's see a body close above. Nope, don't like that wick. Come on. Dang it, come on. I want to see a body close above. And a breaker confirm. Let's see it. 2 minutes. We're inside the macro. So this, I'm just going to get this out of the way. This is the 5-minute inversion. There's getting a lot of resistance from here. I need to see price slice through all that to inverse this 15-minute. So Hydra's taken along. Let's see here. Hydra's taken along. I want to see this, man, this SIBI on ES is still holding price down. I need to see these SIBIs inversed on ES. So I'm not going to pyramid it until I see the SIBIs inversed. Okay, this is not. I'll put that in when I see that confirmed. But right now it looks like we're just chopping. Let's wait till 10:30, see what we get. See if price spools. I want to see price spool and really take buy side in 10:30. And really just push up, inverse this 15-minute. Confirm this breaker. Inverse all these order blocks here. Let's see what happens in 9 minutes. Okay, let's see if these bodies hopefully still hold. Okay. Nope. Okay, let's see if this busy holds. If this busy holds, then that's a good sign, but let's see, do we have SMT? Nope. We just took out those stops here. Okay, that's a good sign. This busy still holding on this 1 minute. Body still holding on this 5 minute inversion. I'm gonna see a nice strong close with this candle here. I really need to see ES inverse these SIBIs. That's kind of what's holding price down right now. Okay, nice. I need to see some more. Let's see, 7 minutes left. There we go. Okay. Should I pyramid in right here? I'm gonna pyramid in once this breaker confirms and once we get an inversion from ES. I want to see ES get an inversion, invert these SIBIs right here. Nice Hydra's in this trade, but he got in just right now, so I got better entry than my mentor. So I got a entry at 874. Let's see here. If we get a okay, if this closes above, this will become a new breaker right here. Looks like it will, and I'll put my stop below here. I don't have a stop right now, but you know, let's put a stop in. Let's put a stop right there. So I'm pretty confident in us going higher. I'm gonna create this order block, create a 5 minute order block, inverse this 15 minute SIBI, and then head to those highs. Should I get in another? If we close above here, body close above here, 15 minutes, we got 5 minutes left. I need a strong body close above 901. Yeah, so Tim said I want to see speed in delivery, otherwise it's seek and destroy. Yes, this is holding us down here. Let's see here. All right, 5 minutes left. I want to see some speed, but there's a lot of order blocks here, so it doesn't look likely that we'll get speed through these order blocks. Looks like it's just high resistance liquidity run. Typically, from what I've seen, speed comes when there's LRLR, and we do have some little bit of trend line liquidity, but usually I see it when it's when there's not a lot of order blocks holding price down. So let's see. So it's, yes, delivery is slow, but I want to see, like I said, I want to see the body close above 900 or 899. There we go. I want to see a good body close above here. 4 minutes left. Let's see what 1030 does. Okay, we're past equilibrium of that range. This is a bigger range. I'll delete this. But this level is a 50% of a larger 1 hour range. But I'll delete that for now. I think we should go up to 936. Like I said, I want to see this 15-minute SIBI inversed. We got to rebalance here in 30 minute, 1 hour. Yeah, I'm a little, I think I might take it off. This looks like an OTE entry for short if the market were to reverse. All right, 3 more minutes. If it doesn't hit in by 10:30, then I'm gonna exit and just collapse this trade because we're not getting delivery up to my target if we don't get it in time. So we got a little breaker right here, small breaker right here. Let's see if this breaker holds. Small little SIBI right there, or BISI right there. It's choppy chop. All right, come on, 2 minutes left. And this is a big order block, so I want to see this order block hold. These down close candles. That's cool. So Tim, another mentor of mine, he just said he's trailing a stop behind this order blocks at, what is it, 821? What was his level? The 1021 candle. Yeah, below these order blocks here. That's smart. That's what I was seeing too. I don't want to see it come below these order blocks, so I'll trim my stop there. Free trade, but let's just wait and see if we hit. We'll see that 5-minute order block hold, but I really want to see a price close above this 5-minute to create a 5-minute order block and inverse this SIBI, 15-minute SIBI. Come on, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. It looks like the 15-minute SIBI, the bodies are being respected. CE midpoint. Midpoint of the, nope, it looks like the midpoint is closing above. Okay, there we go. So like I said, if we really get, all right, here we go. This might be just time distortion and we might deliver outside the macro. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Give me some whole candles. Whoops. Give me some whole candles and inverse this. And I want to see ES inverse the SIBI. ES is just lagging. Here we go, baby. Let's go. All right, there. I want to see a candle close above. Dang, Hydra closed his trade. He closed it too early. He could close it too early. I'm just hanging on. There we go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, if we inverse this 15-minute, So, sorry, Hydra. Hydra closed it, and then now it's pumped. And now it's pumping. So all right. So a little time distortion right here, and then let's see if we get a body close above the 5 minute. That's a really good sign. This order block will be safe. It's 5 minute order block, and I'm gonna see us continue to violate these bearish PD arrays up here. I think we're gonna inverse this. We got 50. Oh, we just closed this. Okay, so we got. Let me see if there's any other. It's super slow, but okay. Um, okay, so this could be like a 30-minute CRT play. But we're gonna get a lot of resistance here. I need to see this 15-minute inverse. This SIB is still holding price down on ES. That's really annoying. Okay, I want to see order block supporting price. I want to see we got a SMT here on ES and NQ. Like I said, I really need to see this inverse on ES. You see the order blocks hold price up. Man, I wish I had two contracts. I'd take one off right now. Okay. I'll take one off right above here at 916 as a partial. Yeah. Tim's thinking the same way I do. Don't like the SMT with the 1019 swing high. Want to see ES push up soon or play catch up. Yeah, that's what I'm saying too, is that I really need to see ES inverse this, otherwise we're not going to go to buy side. Okay, it's looking good. Let's see here, push up. Got a big order block right here. I want to see these order blocks close above. Just slow delivery. Yeah, this 15-minute CIBI is holding us down. You see ES catch up. Come on, ES catch up. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that SMT. Dang it. Come on. No. No. Come on. Okay, yes, with this, hopefully that's a stop punt. We go back up. See if this breaker holds. I want to see this breaker hold. Come on, let's see price hold this breaker. There we go. Come on, push up. Yes, catch up. Closing out. It's just yes is catching up. This SMT held or is holding. I don't like this SMT, so that's why I close it out. Yes is not catching up, so I just close it out. Okay, bummer. It's okay. All right, so zoom out again. So that might be an OTE entry from this candle. Since that was so Hydra's taking a short right now. I'm gonna stay out. That's price does not seem clear to me. So yes, already took these sell side. Let's see here. Did I make the right choice in closing early? I don't know. Price is not clear to me right now, so I'm not going to take a trade. But I just entered in short, reaching for. I think he's reaching for these relative equal lows. But I'm just not clear because we need to inverse. I mean, it's just not super clear to me. So in this bigger, larger 1 hour range, here's our current range of the 1 hour. Let's see here. So it looks like we just tapped, yeah, I think we're going down again actually. We just tapped this, the equilibrium of this current larger 1 hour range. And we either might tap it, it looks like we're going back down. I don't know, we're just in between ranges. I'm not even take a trade. It's just in between a range. If anything, I might look for longs because we're still on this 1 hour range. We're in discount of this 1 hour range, this big 1 hour range. But on this smaller range, on the smaller range, we're at an equilibrium. This 1 hour range on this 1 hour candle. So let's see if this works out. Okay, ES's current range right here. Not liking it. We're just in between price, just kind of watching paint dry, no speed. I mean, if okay, so ES took these lows. ES took these lows, so that could be if NQ leaves these lows and doesn't take it, and we push up higher. That's our protective stop. If we go long. ES, this 5-minute Sibi on ES has been holding price down. Or I'm sorry, 15-minute Sibi on ES has been holding price down. And we've at least NQ has some bodies close above the midway point of the 15-minute Sibi. So NQ definitely looking stronger. Nothing's high probability to me right now. So like ES, what's called SMT with ES. Okay, looks like we might be pushing back up. At least take these highs. At least take 917 or 916, maybe. Outside the macro time. 742 or 1042 EST. So that, yeah, I mean, that is not really an entry here though, entry model. If you're trying to go long here, unless you go 30-second, might be an inversion in there. Oh, there's a small little breaker right here. This would be your breaker on the 30-second. But yeah, not much of an entry model. I think we're going to hit 909 at least. High 707.75. Let's see if there's any. Are these equal highs up here? This is 908.50. 909. Nope. No equal highs, just relative equal highs. So there's, yeah, I think we're gonna head up here to 908.50. Okay, so if we inverse this 15-minute dang it, maybe I closed out too early. Dang, now it's delivering outside our macro. So if we okay, we got one more minute. If we close above, oh, it looks like we are. Oh man, look at that delivery. Dang. If we inverse this 15-minute, got a couple of minutes left or 1 minute left, then we're gonna head up here. Are you still in? MA1 Ness. I don't know how to say Ness. My oneness. Are you still in the trade, or did you collapse it? I collapsed it. I kind of wish I held on to it. I think we're gonna go back up. Look, 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute inverse. Dang. Oh, man, that was a good trade. This SMT held. Dang it. There's an SMT here. Was there? Yeah, there's an SMT, right? Yeah, okay, so I think we are going to head up to my original target at 936. Let's see here. Okay, so we hit 916. But okay, we got a big Sibi here. I think we're gonna get a lot of resistance right here. This Sibi and this BPR, a lot of resistance around this area. We got a bearish breaker. So there it is. this 916. I think we're going for it. We're just gonna take that high. We can scalp a little. I can scalp a little 916 play here. Yeah, watch. Boom. 916 is gonna get hit. Or 917, I mean. Whatever. What is this high of this candle? Boom. There it is. Oh man, wish I was selling this. Close it too early. That's okay. Okay, so now ES is looks like it's gonna inverse this 5-minute or this 15-minute. I'm expecting a lot of resistance here, but we're just too high in premium just to long, so I'm not gonna long. Dang it. I did work out a close it early. I think we're going for it. We're going for my original target. These equal highs up here. I think we're going for it. Let's see here. If we come back down, tap back into the 15-minute and go back up, I might re-enter. Feeling some FOMO right here, not gonna lie. 15-minute inverse, that's a good sign. We're heading back up. We're heading up. Let's see if we head up in this macro. Gosh, man, feeling some FOMO. Let's see here. Man, this totally worked out. Okay, if we get above this breaker, strong close above, then if we get some momentum, then I'm gonna get in. This is our new breaker right here. What the heck? There's our breaker. I mean, technically this would be our breaker. This is mitigating this breaker too, or these order blocks. So look. So I think we're just gonna head back up. We'll get support from this mitigation block here, or this order block. Let's become breaker. Man, then we're gonna inverse this this bearish breaker as well. It's gonna get violated, and then we're gonna head up to these equal highs at 936.50. That's what it is. Man, I want to get along. I'm gonna see a pullback on this SIBI right here. So let me. Let's see here. We got this. We got this SIBI right here. So we get some resistance right there on that SIBI. ES is getting resistance here. So I'll go into macros. I'll go macros. I'll do 5 macros. If I enter, just to keep my risk low, I'll go 5 macros. We got this big 1-minute SIBI here. So I don't like and we're super high in premium, so it's just like a C setup. It's not really an A plus setup. It's more like a chase play. Man, my CRT plate, I think it's gonna play out. Gosh, I wish I held. Okay, we're inside the macro. Let's see if we can get a. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me it's going to push it now since we just entered inside this macro. Okay, I think I'm gonna get out this order block. Let's see here. $12, $9.12. I'm gonna put a
Order working.
buy at this 15-minute SIBI right here, 912.50. If we get it retraced down and okay, so let's see if we get it. I'll put a really tight stop and put it right below. Actually, what is this level? 920. 912. Let's try 912. Alright, let's get in really small. Let's get in real small, see if we get a tap into that 15-minute inversion. I mean, it's huge, and it's a 5-minute SIBI, or BISI right here. Oh, 908. I'll do 908 at the SIBI. 908 at the 5-minute BISI. See if we retap it and retest it. Oh man. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if I get tapped in there. $12.25. 912.25 could be another entry. Let's just do this.
Order
I'm gonna
cancelled.
do three micros
Order working.
and see if we can get a sweep of these lows here. Okay, let's see here. What's ES doing?
Order cancelled.
Yeah, this PA is crap. I'm not even gonna risk micros on this. This PA not good. I think I'm done for the day. Just made 367 bucks on these challenge accounts. On these evals, we got about 10,000 left to pass. We got 15 T50K evals that I'm trading right now. Looking to pass these, and I think I'm gonna be done for the day. I might trade PM. PM trade. If you guys haven't watched this stream from Dynamic Traders, it is dope. Let me see here. Dynamic Traders. If you guys haven't watched this stream, right here, weekend webinar. Watch this stream from Dynamic Traders. He talks about right here. This is a end of the day MOC is a market on close play, and it's a 15-minute scalp play using the 15-minute range, the 330 15-minute range. Here it is. Here's the rules. You guys want to check that out? Oops, there it is. Mark out the 15-minute 330 15-minute counter range, and then play a CRT there basically, and then mark key level above or below the range. If there's no key level, don't take an entry, and then turtle soup the high or the low, and then target the opposing end of the range, take a partial out EQ, you know. So that's pretty dope. I might jump back in at the last hour and try that play out if I see something. This is only if the major objective of the day has not been met. Like if there's still an objective of the day, like a previous high, a previous day low, then that'll be a good play. But I'm gonna try that out last hour of the day, so I'll probably hop back on stream when that happens. So I think I'm done for the day, guys. That's I'll call it PA's trash. And oh, look at that. Look, I think we're gonna creep up and just hit this. Oh man, should I get back in? Yeah. So let's see here. I think we're gonna rip up.
Order working.
I think we get in at this order block here. If we retest it. Oh my gosh, don't go without me. 36. I'll take. Give me an entry. Give me an entry. Give me an entry. Come on. I'll take a 5.04. What am I doing?
Order filled.
Okay, never mind. Got entered right there on the micros. I'm gonna target
Order working.
936.50. I think was my original target. Stop low here.
Order working.
No. I'll put stop low here. We're not gonna rip through there. Any SMTs? Dang, this big SMT. Okay. Nope. Let's see if the SIBI inverse. So I'm just in this. This is a negative RR trade, playing on micros. Let's see if it works out. I think we might sweep these and then go back up. There's a lot of relative equal lows down here. I'll put it below right here, 908. That'll be my stop. I'll risk this trade here on micros. Terrible entry, but we'll see if we can get 10 points here. No, I don't like this SMT. Might collapse it here if we close below. Oh wait, yes, I want to see yes, take that. And then cool. ES created a ES took those lows, so we might pop back up here. Let's see. ES took those lows, and let's see NQ pop back up. Okay, so no SMT, ES or NQ swept these lows, and okay, I'm closing it. Collapsing it. Okay, that was dumb. Don't take that trade. So $75, $75 loss, 76 hour loss. That was dumb. Shouldn't have even entered that. Longed in premium. All right, I'm done for the day. Thanks, guys. I'll be back in the PM. Subscribe, get notified to let you know when I'm on next. Turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the PM, the Power Hour.